In this video, we'll solve the problems on unbalanced assignment problem. A assignment problem is said to be unbalanced if the cost matrix is not a square matrix. It means that the number of rows and the number of columns are not equal. In order to make it balanced one, either we can add the dummy row or the dummy column with all the entries in that column or in the row will be 0. Now we'll look at the problems on unbalanced type. A company has 4 machines to do 3 jobs. Each job can be assigned to only one machine. The cost of each job on each machine is given below. Determine the job assignment that will minimizes the total cost. This is the given matrix. Okay, that is nothing but these are the number of jobs they are given, and this will be representing the number of machines. Okay, as you can see, whether it is the balanced or the unbalanced type of assignment problem, as there are only 3 rows or the 3 jobs are there, but the number of machines are 4. Okay, as each job to be assigned to only one of the machines, you need to add another job with D, that is called as, that is nothing but, since the cost matrix is not a square matrix, add a dummy row because we need to add another job. Therefore, it is the row which will be called as dummy row with all the elements 0. Okay, after adding that dummy row, the cost matrix will be same. Okay, the A values, B values and the C values will be written as it is. Only the change is we are adding the dummy row with all the elements 0. Now, in order to do the assignment, the first we will look at the first row. That is, in the first row, just ensure whether there is a single 0 or not. As there is a single 0 in this, okay, we'll going to do the assignment for this. Okay, and whatever be the number of zeros are there in this particular column, all will be cancelled by making as cross lines. Okay, next come to the second row. In this, as 1 0 is already cancelled, there is no 0, and in the third row also there is no 0, and if you come to the fourth row, this one is already cancelled. There are the number of zeros are there, but it will not be considered. If it is considered only whenever it is a single 0 is there, then only we can go with the assignment. Okay, all the rows are completed now. Now you can go with the column. Okay, first go with the first column. As there is no zeros, already one is assigned and the remaining will be cancelled. Come to the second column. In this there is only one 0, single 0. Do the assignment, and in this particular row, whatever be the number of zeros are there, that will be cancelled with the cross mark. Okay, next come to the third column. In this 0 is cancelled, no more 0, and in the fourth column also no more 0. Therefore, the assignment is finished. Now you need to draw the lines. Okay, that is a minimum line to be drawn in order to cover all the zeros. For that, first what you need to do is you need to identify the unassigned rows. Okay, in this row is assigned 1. Okay, this is not marked. Okay, this is the unassigned row which will be marked as tick mark. And come to the third one. This is also not assigned any 0 here, just mark it. And after that, the fourth row is also assigned, no need to mark it. Okay, once you mark the unassigned row, just go through with these 2 rows, unassigned rows, and identify whether there is a marked or the cross marked 0 is there. If it is there, just mark that particular column. Okay, in these 2 rows there are 2 zeros, I mean the zeros which will be crossed with the cross line. Okay, that particular column will be marked. Once you mark this column, just move on this particular column and check whether there is a assigned 0 in this particular column. Okay, if you go on moving towards this column, there is a assigned 0 and this particular row will be marked. Okay, I'll tell you once again. First you need to identify or you need to mark the rows which will be not assigned, which will be not having any assignment. In these 2 rows there is no assignment, so I have marked these 2 tick marks. Once you mark the unassigned row, just go through with those rows and identify whether there is a crossed zeros are there. If it is, okay, then move on in that particular column and mark that particular column. Okay, in these 2 rows the zeros will be at the same column, so I have marked only one column. Okay, if it is somewhere here, this column is also marked as the, okay, that is the having the crossed line 0 column. Okay, but in this case we are having both the zeros at the same column, so I have marked this column. Okay, once you mark the column, just move along this column and identify whether there is a assigned 0 or not. Okay, if there is a assigned 0, in this case we are having one assigned 0, and that particular row will be tick marked. Okay, once you do this, now you can draw the lines very easily. That is nothing but just draw a horizontal line with the unmarked row. Okay, in this is marked row, this is also marked one, this is also marked one. The fourth row is not marked. Just draw a horizontal line and also draw a vertical line with the marked column. There is only one marked column with there. With that marked column, a vertical line is drawn. Okay, once you do this, you need to now check how many assignments we did in this particular matrix. Okay, that is nothing but checking the condition that the number of assignment, whether it is equal to the number of rows or the number of columns. Okay, in this we have only 2 assignments, but how many rows are there? There are 4 rows are there. Therefore, the assignment is not equal to the 4. This condition is not satisfied. When this condition is not satisfied, the solution is not optimal. Okay, now next we'll move to the further step. Now you need to identify the minimum value with the elements which will not covered with any of the line. Okay, either it is the horizontal line or with the vertical line. Okay, the elements which are not covered with any of the line, in those elements you need to identify the minimum value. Out of these values, these are the values which are not covered either with the horizontal or with the vertical. Okay, in these values the minimum value is 5. That is, the minimum value is 5. Now once again you need to prepare the matrix. Okay, while preparing the matrix, the thing is, whatever the elements are there with the covered line, either it is the horizontal or with the vertical line, those elements will be written as it is. And one more thing, the intersection point elements, at that point this minimum value to be added. These values will be written as it is, these values will be written as it is, but only at the intersection point this minimum value to be added. And the remaining uncovered values whatever are there, that will be subtracted, or with these values the minimum value to be subtracted. That means 6 minus 5, 10 minus 5, 14 minus the minimum value 5, 5 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 10 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 12 minus 5. Then the next matrix we obtained is like this. Okay, once you got the new matrix, once again go on doing the assignment. First go with the first row. In the first row, as we are seeing that there is only a single 0, just do the assignment for that 0 and move in that particular column, and whatever be the number of zeros are there, that will be cancelled with the cross lines. Okay, next move to the second row. In this also there is only 1 0, just make an assignment and move along with the particular column, and if there is zeros, as there are 2 zeros are there, that will be cancelled with the cross mark. Just move on with the third row, as there is no zeros, as 2 zeros are cancelled, there is no further 0, and come to the fourth row. In this one is already cancelled, but there are 2 zeros are there. We are giving the first preference to the single 0. If it is not, just leave that particular row or the column. Now all the rows are completed. Now go on moving with the column. Now first move with the column. In this there is no single 0. The 2 zeros are cancelled and 1 is already assigned. And now come to the second column, already assigned. And in the third column there is a single 0. Okay, just do the assignment for that. And in this particular row, whatever be the number of zeros are there, that will be cancelled with the cross mark. And come to the finally the fourth column. In this, as there is 0 but it is already cancelled, no need to consider this. And now check how many assignments we did and how many rows we are having, whether that the condition is satisfied or not. In this case we did the 3 assignments, but there are 4 rows are there. Therefore the assignment is 3 and the number of rows is 4. The condition is not satisfied. Now once again draw the minimum number of lines in order to cover all the zeros in the matrix. For that purpose, the procedure is first mark the unassigned row. This is assigned row, this is assigned row, this is not assigned, just mark it. And